Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming compatibility and gathering what the carrier sent, a QR, numeric activation code, or the carrier app. Once you have those, make sure Wi-Fi is active and you're signed into iCloud. This prevents activation hiccups. Next, open Settings and tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan to start scanning or enter details. Do this now so the phone can request network provisioning. It's the first actionable step toward assigning the electronic SIM profile to your device. You'll now scan the QR or type the activation details if scanning fails. If the carrier provided an app, open it and choose Add or Transfer eSIM, follow the prompts. This often auto-configures settings. Once the plan installs, you'll be asked to label the line, pick primary, secondary, or a custom name, and choose cellular data and voice defaults. Make sure you review roaming options and data plan usage to avoid surprises. This middle phase ties the carrier profile to your iPhone's cellular stack. You finish by verifying the new plan shows up in Settings right arrow Cellular and that the carrier name and signal appear. Then test a call or data session. If activation stalls, restart the iPhone and try toggling airplane mode. Often that forces a network reattach. If it still fails, have the carrier check provisioning. Give them the device EID and activation code so they can push the profile. Remember, persistence is key. Many problems resolve after a restart or a carrier repush.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.